In no mood to find another I might not concave 너 맘아서 미츠케니 이쿠다케요 Right now baby I don't care about the other summer 지금 내가 필요한 건 뭐 맞든 I wanna hear right now baby I don't
I'm sweating so much. Oh, I'm so sweaty. I'm like drenched in sweat.
Yeah, that's cute.
Only 3. This one?
Only 3?
Yeah. And then which one?
Saan na yun?
My glasses are very moist right now. That's cute. Oh, that's so cute. Hey guys, I am finally home now. I just did my skincare, and before I end this video, I'm going to do a haul of what I got today. But first, let me explain to you guys. So we're only in Korea for 4 days, right? And that's 2 full days. So our trip kind of got shortened. So I wanted to try and maximize all the places that we go to. So today we went to the palace, and then we went for hongdae for about 2 to 3 hours. Let me tell you, we were literally, I was literally running around hongdae because we arrived there at around 6, and then most of the stores I wanted to go to were closing at 9. So I didn't get to go to all the stores or like photo booths or cafes I wanted to. I only went to the stores I really wanted to go to. So that was why I wasn't able to like talk to the camera that much. I just showed little clips. Let me do a haul of everything I got there. Actually, first let me show you this cute keychain. I got this yesterday at the butter store. Let me show you our caricature pictures first. These are so cute. This is my mom and my dad. So cute. There's a heart up here, and this one is me and my sister. Does it look like me, guys? I love the bow. I added the bow in my hair. And you guys saw earlier we got our photo booth picture with our hanboks. So we went to the store called With Moo. It was around Hongdae University, and girl, I went crazy in this store because there were loads of exclusive stuff in here. So I was like, I didn't even get any TXT stuff, okay? I got like Rise, I got EXO, and other stuff. Actually, so this is for my cousin, and her bias is Wonwoo. So I just got this lenticular picture for her. I got this from my friend. She said she wanted an ugly cute keychain, and I think this is so cute, but like I don't know, it's so cute. I want one of these myself. Most of the stuff here are for my friends and for my cousins. This is my hair clip. It's Chikawa. So this is for my friend. This is for one of my cousins. And it's the Enhypen Romance Untold. I don't know what this is actually. I think it's like a photo card. I don't know. And I got this ZB1. I think these are like, I think photo cards are in here. But this is Jiwoong's version. Okay, so now we have my album stuff. Okay, so first we have this Wonbin photo booth frame and ID picture. I think this was exclusive to the Rise fan meet. Okay, I'm really excited about this, but I think this is the jersey. It comes with a Wonbin photo card. This one, oh my gosh, this photo card is so cute, and he's wearing the jersey. By the way, Wonbin is my Rise bias, if you guys didn't know already. It has rising days here at the front. It has Wonbin at the back. Okay, so this is the last Rise merch, and it's the Get a Guitar album. Actually, I really wanted this, but I couldn't find it anywhere in London, so yay, I finally got one, and I'm gonna open it now for you guys. I'm super excited. This is my first Rise album. I'm gonna see which photo card I got. 1, 2, 3. I got a Shotaro photo card. Now let's see the poster. Is this Anton? I got Anton poster. So now this is my final K-pop item, and it's the EXO fan meeting cap. This is Suho. Comes with a photo card. Okay, wait. This cap says EXO 1. Wait, this is so cute. Like EXO Suho photo card. I'm not gonna open it from the plastic. I'm gonna put this back on. This is Cookie. By the way, it's from Miniso. Oh my god. That shot is crazy. So I also got this 17. It's the photo cards, right, for the new 17 album. So now I'm gonna do a haul of all the clothes and accessories that I got. And actually I only went to like 2 stores, but this one is the one that I am very happy about. I went to the sculpture store, and the only thing I wanted there was the strawberry top, and I found it. I'm not going to take out the plastic. I'm very happy about this top. This is the big haul of stuff. I went to the offline duty-free store. I actually got so much stuff here, it's crazy. These are keychains. So I got this keychain. One is like cute as pink and like dolphins and shells. I also got this keychain that has a bow and a heart here. This one also has a bow but it's pink and then the same heart. This is for my mom, and this little thing is for my sister, and I got this little fake Tamagotchi thingy. So these two are my chocolates. This one is like a heart, and this one is a white bow. I also got a bag from here because I always see girlies around Seoul with these cute like silver metallic bags. So I also got one for myself. And finally, the last thing I got is a cap. In Korea and even in like the Philippines, it is super hot. So I did get myself some caps because I actually don't have many. Okay, but look at the mess around here. Like, it is crazy, bro. But that's it for my second day in Korea. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please look forward to more of my Korea vlogs. I think I have 2 more left coming out, so follow my Instagram and my TikTok, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!